Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add a VPN extension to your Chrome browser. First, open your browser and on the left upper corner there is apps. Click on that, click on web store, okay, here search for Touch VPN extension. Click on Touch VPN extension. Open Touch VPN. It says remove from Chrome, but for you it must add to Chrome. I already have it, so that's why it says remove from Chrome. Okay. So after you add it to Chrome, go to the right upper corner, click the three dots and go to move tools, and you will get extensions there. In the extensions you have to turn Touch VPN on. After that you will get a symbol on the upper right corner, click on that. And now you can choose what country you want to connect, or you can say best choice. It will choose it randomly, and it's connected. Now you're free to go. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share.